Hey friends, in this quick Apple numbers tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort your data in your spreadsheet by a column alphabetically. Really can be helpful in organizing your data to help read it better. So as you can see, I have a super simple spreadsheet. I've got some business associates here and their commissions, and I want to sort this whole sheet by the names of these sales associates. Now, the nice thing about this is that it will rearrange things alphabetically by names. All of their data that's on the same rows will also stick with those names and organize in that alphabetical order. So we can do this a couple of different ways. I'm going to click again inside the sheet here. And then what we can do is we can come up here to organize, and I can click on show sort options, or we can come over here and click this little icon in the top right corner. And that's going to bring us over to some different items. You can click on sort here and our sort options will come up. So what we're going to do is we can either sort the entire table, which I'll do first, or if you click this down, you can actually just sort selected rows, which makes it really nice. Now, if I sort the entire table, we can then add a column. Now, this is really nice because it recognizes I have a header line up here. So it gives me the options to sort using that as the category name, or we can go ahead and adjust things with other columns down here that haven't been named in the headers. In this case, I want to do it by their names. Let's click on this, and automatically everything is going to sort again, A through Z. Now, a couple of interesting things have happened because I sorted the entire table. As you can see, I had an average row and I also had a total row that ended up being designated into this sort. So the average went up top because again, it starts with an A. Let me go ahead and hit Control Z. And as you can see, this is going to be much better for us to use this sort with selected rows. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the rows here for just my sales associates, leaving the total down here untouched. We'll come over here, we're going to sort selected rows. Again, I'll choose that name and voila. As you can see, this now updates so that everything is in alphabetical order with just my sales associates. Fairly simple, my friends. I hope that has helped. Hey, we make a ton of these Apple numbers tutorial videos. Super quick, super easy, just to make your life a little bit better. Hopefully this has helped. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, stay tuned. We've got a bunch more of these coming up soon. See you on the next one.